Let's have a look now at the rhythmic algorithm. Now the difference between polyphonic is that rhythmic will loop the audio between the slices to fill the gaps, so that makes it an excellent choice for whenever we have rhythmic material, such as electric guitars, acoustic guitars, keys played in a rhythmic way. So in our case, in our example, we are going to use electric guitars. A common technique in rock and metal is that you double track the guitars, sometimes even more, triple track them, and then you pan them. And that makes the sound wider and bigger. The amount of panning depends on the song, the section, the genre, and it's also personal preference. So let's try hard pan left and right for this one, and let's have a listen. And let's turn flex on. As you can see, it went to polyphonic, which would actually work great as well, but that's not what we want right now. So let's go rhythmic and rhythmic. It's the same procedure as with the vocals, so I'm going to be working on the non-good take, so my good take is guitar 1, and I will do my flex based on the timing of the first one. So here's the thing, when you double track guitars and everything, it's the imperfections that make it sound good. So you don't want a perfectly good take that is exactly the same as the other one. You want something very tight that has slight, timing differences and playing differences. And that's what will make it human. So we don't want incredible perfection. We just want to make it tight. So the first thing I'm going to do is to make them start at exactly the same time. And it's a good thing to do is to place some markers at the end. So whenever you mess up here, it doesn't affect the rest of it. So from what I can see, this whole section is a bit before, so I can actually move the whole thing here. And again, I have to go by shapes. And these look that they're all right. Let's have a listen. Okay, maybe extend that one a bit. I can see that. I can move that one to the left. Okay, so I'm going to place some markers here. Don't want that. Place a marker here. Let's see. This shape looks like it's all right. So that's probably that one. And that's that one. So I'm going to place a marker here. And then one here. And take this one back a bit. And then leave that one. Let's have a listen. That's fine. Let's see what we've got here. That looks good. That's fine. Then just move this one. Okay, I'm being ridiculously detailed now. I probably wouldn't touch that one, but for the sake of the example, let's do it. So that seems to be okay, and that seems to be okay. I'm just looking at the little spikes here to navigate, but this one is a bit before that. So I want to keep that one, but actually I can move the whole thing here. Oh, that's good. So let's see, that is after that. Okay, well actually we can move the whole thing. That's good. So let's move that here. So this one aligns this one and this area here. Let's have a listen from here. Okay, that was good. I would probably leave it, but again, for the sake of the example, let's make it even tighter. So these start at the same time, that's fine. This one is a bit after, actually all these three, so I'm going to place a marker here. Now let's not do that. Let's place a marker here and then move that. So this look like they're okay. Let's have a listen here. Okay, let's listen to the whole thing. And that's it. Basically what you want is to make it tight and sound like one guitar with little imperfections. Again, polyphonic mode would work well for that one as well. But for rhythmic material, I tend to go with Rhythmic. I'll see you in the next one.